Welcome to Miranda Detailing. Today we have a Mercedes C-Class and we're going to be doing our diamond service today on it, and it has a little surprise. Yeah, so this is going to receive a full interior. We're going to take care of the vomit in the back, and then all the exterior is going to be cleaned and waxed as well, so let's get started. All right, the worst of it is over. Interior is done, and this area has been extracted, steamed. We used our enzyme cleaner. It was really, really gross, but it's much, much better now. So let's take a look. On to the exterior. It is so cold out. I think it's about 25 degrees right now. So we're going to fill up our buckets with hot water and get started. Okay, exterior is washed. We couldn't clay it out there. We couldn't decontaminate it out there. It was way too cold. Everything was freezing up on us. So as I'm going to show you, you can actually see some of the icicles still on the paint. It actually started to freeze up. Look at that. We're in Richmond, Virginia. Why is it 20 degrees out? Well, it's washed, so now we're going to go ahead and clay bar it and then dry it. The vehicle is now dry. It's all blown dry. I made sure to clean out the engine compartment and dress that, so that's good to go. So now we're going to apply our wax. We're going to use our Porter Cable polisher and a nice red soft pad. And I think what I'm going to use today is Colonite. I've had it warming in a bucket here with hot water. Alright, now we're good to go. Just shake it thoroughly and then I'll machine apply that. So we have applied a nice thin layer of Colonite. I'm going to go in by hand and get into all of these intricate areas here with the grille and the lower bumper as well as the back bumper. So we'll get that. Oh, and underneath the handles as well. And we'll let this sit for a while. finished. I just wiped off all of the wax. I went through with my LED light just to make sure that no spots were missed. I like to go over every inch to make sure that the wax is all removed. And now I just have the air dryer in the back seat drying that whole area where the vomit was. Unfortunately, with odors from anything are really difficult to remove with just detailing alone. Usually steam cleaning can help, but it's not really considered an odor remover. It can kill bacteria and things like that, but as far as really removing the odors, it needs something more. Unfortunately, I'm not equipped to remove odors. I don't have a fogging machine or one of those counteractant fogging machines or ozone machines to remove odors. However, in our area, there's a company that I refer customers to if the odors linger, and I always tell them that we cannot guarantee odor removal because who knows what the odor can be. If it's smoke, it penetrates into the fabric and into the foam, into the backing, and steam alone is not going to get rid of that. That is something completely different. So an ozone treatment or the counteracting fog, that's going to truly remove it, and sometimes it takes multiple steps. So in my area, I refer customers to another company called the Interior Guys, and I've been referring customers to them for years, and they refer customers to us, so we have a good working relationship. And from the customers that I have referred to them, they are very satisfied with their services to remove all of whatever odors they have. So I have that blower drying in here. Let's just take a look. So the leather was heavily steamed. The carpet was steamed. I use an enzyme cleaner that eats up any organic matter, and hopefully that kills the odor. It still kind of lingers. I don't know if that's what it is or not. Some cars have a weird smell anyway, but I'm sure that's the culprit. So we'll see when it all dries out and it airs out. Hopefully that scent will go away. If not today, then in the next few days. That's usually what we tell our customers. So as far as everything else, the paint is cleaned, it's clay barred, it's extremely slick. I do like using Colonite, and it produces a great finish. And this is no one step, this is just wash, clay bar, and wax, and that's it. And I make sure to hit all the exhaust tips and all the plastics as well. So all of the wheels are cleaned and the tires are shined, and I make sure to clean the engine bay. Everything in here is looking really nice. And the engine bay is looking cleaned and fresh. And I always like to clean the underside of this, and I wipe it down with like a spray wax so that it stays cleaner longer. And of course the windshield cowl is cleaned and then blown dry. And then I've been using a variety of products for the trim, the plastic trim. And right now I am using the Stoner's Trim Shine, and it does produce a really nice finish on all the plastics. And I like the spray because I can get into these tight areas, these honeycomb grills, and before I wax I just spray them down and wipe any excess around the paint, which is not a problem, and then I go ahead and wax everything and then remove the wax. And I like to let this dry on the plastic and maybe wipe it down a little bit if it's too much, but usually it dries really nice on the plastics. I've used Black Wow Pro before. I've used a variety of products. This is just one that I am using right now, and I bought a 6 case on Amazon. And I can put a link to that in the bottom, and it came out to about $5 per can, which is really great. So I'll be using that for the next few months until it's all gone, and then I'll probably move on to something else or stay with it. We'll see. And usually when that dries completely, it beads water. I don't know how long it really lasts. It might last about a month. I think I used it on a vehicle a couple of months ago, and it didn't look brand new fresh, but it still looked nice. Well, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends and family, those who may be interested in getting their car detailed. I will be making an introductory video soon to introduce myself and our business and what we do, where we're located also. We're here in Richmond, Virginia, and I'll have that information down below. Feel free to visit our website, see all the different services and packages that we offer, and I also have a nice page there with our frequently asked questions that answer a lot of questions about our services, waxes, polishes, carpet shampooing, and also the coatings that we offer. So hope you have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Take care.